They call the Indus the Lion River. It's a wild, ancient force that carved its way through the Himalayas long before we were here to witness it. But right here, in the heart of Pakistan, we did something audacious. We asked the lion to stop. Welcome to Tarbela. From up here, it looks like a peaceful blue sea cradled by the mountains. But look closer. This isn't just a body of water. It's the heartbeat of a nation. If engineering had a final boss, this would be it. Completed in 1976, Tarbela remains the largest earth-filled dam in the world. Think about that for a second. We didn't just pour concrete. We moved mountains of rock and soil, nearly 150 million cubic yards of it, to create a barrier over 140 meters high. It's a masterclass in human persistence, where the rugged terrain of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa meets the genius of modern design. You get a structure that doesn't just fight nature, it works with it. But Tarbela isn't just for the gram, it's the engine room. Every second, those massive turbines are churning out thousands of megawatts, keeping the lights on from Karachi to Khyber. And it's not just about the spark in your socket. This water is the lifeblood for millions of acres of farmland downstream. Every drop you see from this drone's eye view is a promise of a harvest. It's the difference between a desert and a breadbasket. As the sun dips behind these peaks, you realize that Tarbela is more than just a wall of earth and stone. It's a bridge between our past and our future. It's a reminder that when we respect the power of nature and harness it with vision, we can create something that lasts for generations. A titan on the Indus standing guard, silent and steady. Next time you flip a switch or see a green field in the Punjab, remember this view. This is where the power begins.